students, today I will discuss with a very small topic with you all, but really very interesting topic. So this boy name is Buddy. Actually, what happens, this Buddy eats a lot of food, but he don't know what happened to this food inside the body. Do you know anything about it? Like this Buddy's intention that what will happen when the Buddy eats food, what happened to this food in our body? Do you have any idea, students? It get digest. Very good, Nikhil. How it get digest? Do you have any idea which system works on it? Digested. Very good, Jaya. Great. So I want every student must participate, bacha. Yes, Riya, very good, through digestive system. So it's good that you all have knowledge about digestive system, students. Okay, bacha. Now what will happen actually when we eat food, right? We eat raw materials, right? We eat food which we called in science as raw materials. When we eat this food, what will happen? These food break down in our body, okay? When this food break down in our body, then we get nutrients. Then we get all the nutrients. Okay, bacha, no issues. And we are able to get all the nutrients. Yes, Kanishka, very good. So this you know that digestive system works on what? When we eat a raw material, it breaks down into smaller parts and we are able to get nutrients. So today we will discuss about the digestive system, how it works and where the digestion starts in our mouth. Are you ready? So may I start with the class? I want everyone must reply, students. Yeah, very good, bacha. Very good, Kanishka. It's good. So, bacha, if I will, because I want to tell you each and everything in very detail, so you must have a notebook and draw it with me so that you will have also fun while learning science. So, bacha, we know that our digestive system starts from mouth. Yes, you must know how to draw this diagram and it's very easy actually. But I don't know, students face a lot of difficulty while making this diagram. So I want everyone to draw it with me. Okay, this is a long tube. Then there must be a stomach. Okay, so first of all, bacha, start digestion from mouth. Do you know what is this, bacha? Anyone from your side? Why I make these two balloons in our mouth? Any idea any student have? No, it's not called esophagus. It's called salivary glands, beta. It is called salivary glands. You know what is saliva? You all know what is saliva in your mouth? So saliva comes from these glands, bacha, through the lower surface of the mouth and through the upper surface of your mouth. Yes, it's good if you know. Very good. After that, bacha, this is called esophagus. You may call it as esophagus also and oesophagus also. Okay. Then there must be a J-shaped organ called stomach. These are different parts of our digestive system, students. Are you able to see it clearly? After that, what will happen? Next part is what? Great. Very good, bacha, if you are able to listen it. No issues. So, bacha, this is called after stomach. There must be a small intestine. Small intestine. Its name is small, but its function is big. Yes, Hanshu, very good, beta. You are right. Sticky substance in our mouth is called saliva. And it contains a lot of enzyme which help in digestion. Very good, Lakshana. That is called large intestine. Very good. And this is small intestine again. Again, I am telling you small intestine have very big function in your human body. Its name is small, but its function is big. So here is rectum, the last part of your digestive system. So if someone asks you, your digestive system starts from mouth and end into rectum. Any doubt till now, any student with the diagram? Please let me know, then I will move further. Any doubt any student have with the diagram? Diagram is easy for everyone. Okay, Rakshana. Yes. Okay, Hanshu. Now, bacha, I will clear you the mechanism here. Okay. Mechanism of digestive system. What is rectum? Bacha, I will explain each and every part. Wait for a second. Okay. First of all, food enters into mouth, bacha. Right? Now, in mouth, what is there? There is teeth, tongue, and saliva. In mouth, there are three things. Mechanism is the process, bacha. Like how digestion takes place. Mechanism is called process. So, okay, bacha, what happens? Food in mouth. In mouth, we have teeth, tongue, and saliva. Do you know what is the function of teeth, tongue in your mouth? Teeth, what did teeth do? They chew the food, they crush it, right? Tongue helps mix the food with saliva. Tongue's function is mixing the food with saliva. So that what will happen? Your food becomes softer in your mouth. Very good, bacha. Chewing, great. So there is one function of saliva, that saliva have salivary amylase. Saliva have salivary amylase. And amylase is what? It is an enzyme, bacha. Very good, Udayveer. It is an enzyme. And the function of this enzyme is breakdown of carbohydrate. Function of this enzyme is breakdown of carbohydrates. Or we can say breakdown of complex food material. I will again repeat. First of all, we will eat food in our mouth. In our mouth, there are three types of organs: teeth, tongue, and saliva. Teeth help to crushing the food. Tongue help to mix food with saliva. And saliva have an enzyme known as salivary amylase, which help to break down of carbohydrates. So if someone asks you the question where digestion takes place in your body, then your answer must be mouth. Yes, Vedant, very good. Yes, you're right. Is it clear till now? What happens to your food when it enters into your mouth? Any doubt till now, bacha, you have? Please let me know. Clear? After this, bacha, okay, bacha, if you have no doubt, it's good. After this, the food goes to esophagus. Esophagus, bacha. Esophagus is what? It is a long tube. Yes, Arab, you are right. It is a long tube, bacha. What happened? This tube have no function, just pass on the food. So what esophagus do? It's only pass on the food. Yes, we also called it as food pipe. Very good. Okay, so esophagus have no function in our digestive system. It's only function to pass down the food to the stomach, bacha. The function is to pass the food into the stomach. Now, if I talk about stomach, any doubt, any query till now, any student have, bacha? Please let me know so that I can help you out. Okay, so beta, stomach is J-shaped organ. Okay, stomach is what? It is J-shaped organ, beta. So in stomach, there are three things you have to remember. First is HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. You can't speak, bacha. If you have any doubt, you must write it down on the chat box. And can you show up? What you want, bacha, I will show up each and everything to you, no issues. HCl, mucus, and pepsin. In stomach, there are three things: HCl, mucus, and pepsin. Okay, so what happened here? This is a hydrochloric acid. Anyone know the function of hydrochloric acid in our body? Yes, bacha. HCl has a function in our body to digest the food. Basically, HCl kills bacteria. The food we are eating, sometime in the food there are some viruses, there are some bacteria enters. So acid kills that bacteria. Nikhil, acid doesn't break down the food actually. Acid only kills that bacteria. Acid have two functions. It kills bacteria and it activates the enzyme. Okay, Kanishka, it's good. HCl having two functions, bacha. First, it kill bacteria. Second, it activate enzyme for digestion. Okay, Lakshana, it's good. Activate enzyme. Okay, what is mucus? If I will draw here for you, bacha, so that you can understand more. This layer, which I am making right now, this is called mucus. This is a surrounding of stomach. Okay, why this surrounding is there? So that HCl not affect, HCl not put any damage to your stomach. Yes, Udevir, you are right. It takes 5 hours, sometimes more than 5 hours also. Great. Is it clear with stomach? Stomach have J-shaped organ. It have three things: HCl, mucus, pepsin. HCl is hydrochloric acid, which kills bacteria of your food and activate the enzymes. Mucus is a covering. Mucus is a covering which is helpful for the stomach to digest it properly. After that, pepsin is what? It is an enzyme which digests protein. Okay, Lakshana, it's good if it is clear. What happened after the stomach? After the stomach, food goes to small intestine. Okay, food goes to small intestine, bacha. Now, what happened in small intestine? Absorption of nutrients. Absorption of nutrients takes place. Yes, very good, Vedan. It's good. So, bacha, in small intestine, all the absorption takes place. So, we can say that digestion of food is finished in small intestine. Yes, Sonakshi, very good. Okay, Kanishka, meaning of this, like we are eating food for getting energy, and we will get energy by the nutrients. And these all nutrients are absorbed by small intestine. Is it clear? Any doubt, Kanishka? If you have, please let me know. Further, bacha, in small intestine, apart from absorption, okay, apart from absorption, what happened? There are some enzymes which digest the food. Which digest the food. Okay. Last part, that is large intestine. Undigested food pass through the large intestine. Okay. Pass into the large intestine. Very good, Udevir. And from there it goes to rectum, and from rectum it goes out of the body. Great. Any doubt till now any student have? So this is a simple diagram, bacha. Again, I will let you know some things. This is a mouth. In mouth, I already explained you all the things. Yes, this is a salivary glands. This tube is called esophagus, or we also called it as food pipe. Okay, great. Yes, I will. So here it is stomach. Stomach is what? It is J-shaped organ, bacha, which having three parts: HCl, mucus. You can, Nikhil, no issues. Mucus and pepsin. So these three helpful for the digestion of food. Further, bacha, this is a liver. And liver is the largest gland. Liver is the largest gland, bacha. I will again explain one thing to you all, as I think you must know it, that livers provide us bile. Bile is a juice, bacha, which digests fat. Okay. We will do glands while we are assuming our class. Today we will discuss about only digestive organs. Okay. Very good, Voit. Very good. Yes, Hanshu, what's your problem? Yes, Sonakshi, you are right. So this is what again, bacha? This is small intestine. This is also small intestine because small is a name, but it is 50 centimeter long. Liver has more than 100 function. You are right, bacha. Liver has more than 100 function, but in digestion, it's provide only one function. And we are doing here digestion today, okay? And this is a large intestine, beta. And this is called rectum. I hope diagram is clear with you all, so that I can show you a video. Are you ready to learn more with videos? Okay, great. Is it audible?
When we chew the food, it gets mixed with saliva, which we commonly call the spit. The saliva contains the enzyme which helps in breaking down starch. From the mouth, the food travels through the long pipe-like esophagus and reaches the stomach. The stomach is a thick-walled bag. The inner walls also secrete digestive juice which help in the digestion. The partially digested food from the stomach moves into the small intestine. Then the digestive juices in the small intestine starts to break down the food. The liver secretes a chemical called bile juice which helps in the digestion. The liver is a reddish-brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. The bile juice secreted by it is stored in a sac called the gallbladder. The juice is then released into the small intestine. The pancreas is a large cream-colored gland located just below the stomach. The bile juice and the pancreatic juice reach the intestine through the small pipe-like path. The digestion gets completed inside the small intestine. The nutrient gets absorbed by the small intestine walls, which are full of blood vessels. The inner wall of the small intestine has small finger-like projections called villi. Each villus has many blood vessels. So the villi absorb the liquid digested food and the food enters the blood vessels in the villi. After the absorption of digested food, the undigested food moves into the large intestine. The large intestine absorbs the water from it. After the absorption of water, the undigested food becomes semi-solid and gets stored in a sac-like part at the end of the large intestine, which is called rectum. This undigested semi-liquid food is called the feces or the stool. The fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time.
What is a function of ecosystem? Sorry, what is a function of digestive system? Anyone knows the answer? Breakdown of food. Very good. Okay, very good. Just see what you want to see, beta. Please let me know. Then I will go to that slide. Very good. Karishma, Lakshana. Very good. Dash help to moisten food. Let me know the answer of second bacha. Dash helps to moisten food. Yes, Hanshu, you are right. Very good. Saliva. And saliva have what? Amylase. Remember this. Okay, it's very important. Dash moves food through the esophagus. Which food moves through the esophagus, bacha? Soft food. Or chew food we can write. Yes, very good. Yes, Arav, very good. Divyansh, great. Sonakshi, good. Dash helps to protect the stomach lining. Anyone remember? Stomach have three things: mucus, HCl, pepsin, which helps Very good, Arav. Imaksh, great. It's mucus. Very good. Yes, Udevi, great. Okay, name 2 organs that food doesn't pass through. Any 2 organs you may tell in which the food doesn't pass through. Any organ. It's easy. Yes, very good. Great. Yes, great. Nose and ears. Yeah, pancreas is also good. Great, Vijay. Very good. So the last question here is, what organ removes water from digested food? What organ removes water from digested food? It is the last organ. Yes, Nikhil, very good. Large intestine, where undigested food pass out. Yes. Great.